There were 3 more school threats in the Lowcountry today. We want to tell you about one, which ended with a student detained by juvenile justice. Deputies say the 14-year-old did not bring a gun to Battery Creek High School today, but did yesterday. He is being charged with possession of a firearm on school property. His case is now headed to family court. At the same time, fallout from yesterday's lockdown at Beaufort High School continues. While this turned out to be a hoax, questions do remain about the next time the call goes out and how parents are contacted. WSAD News 3's Andrew Davis spoke with Beaufort County school officials about informing parents and the public in a situation like this. And Andrew is joining us right now from our Lowcountry newsroom. Andrew.
Well, Tina, the call of active shooter went out about 9:30 to police and sheriffs yesterday morning, and while parents were notified soon after, the question is, was it soon enough, and do changes need to be made?
And he called me crying in here and telling me he was scared.
I didn't have my phone on me. They didn't let us get our phone, so I had to use a friend of mine's phone, a colleague. And I was just like, hey, Mom, we're all right. We're all good.
Students inside during the lockdown calling home, giving information faster than the school system or police.
Being a parent myself, the information wasn't out soon enough. I mean, but we couldn't do it any quicker.
Beaufort Police Chief Dale McDormand says the situation wasn't ideal, but he and the Beaufort County Sheriff's officials agonized about what to put out and when to do it.
We had officers with the groups of parents that had gathered, giving them as much real-time information as we could.
Beaufort County parents got a text or an email depending on what information they gave schools, and the school system tells News 3 they want to make sure that information they give is right, not just fast. And before anything goes out, they make sure to talk to law enforcement first. The goal is to not impede an investigation by swarming a campus with people. And as for those cell phones inside a lockdown school,
it doesn't hurt, because we can gather some intelligence from what the kids are telling us. I'm not suggesting that they should be on their phone, because if this was a real situation, that puts them in danger because they're talking.
As for getting students back to their families after a situation like this, the district uses the standard reunification method used by many local school systems, offering 5 steps to keep kids protected, getting them out, and getting them back home. School Superintendent Frank Rodriguez says there is just one more thing that everyone needs.
It's the patience that's needed, and that's what we can do. We can ask them for that patience.
Now, Beaufort County Schools told me they were thankful that no one was hurt during this process, and both police and the school system praised the students themselves for listening and following orders. Now, they all know it wasn't perfect, but they all plan to look at all aspects of what happened and be better prepared if it happens again. Of course, that's something no one hopes will happen. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Andrew, thank you.